Okay, I'm live where we are having a thunderstorm. It's just started pouring down rain. I'm out on my back porch under a roof, and it has just started absolutely pouring down rain. We have had some loud claps of thunder in the last 15 minutes or so. Really loud claps of thunder in the last 15 minutes. And I'm hoping that the wind won't get up too bad, because this is not the same kind of thunderstorm that I had a week ago at the lake that had those high winds with it. Nevertheless, a thunderstorm can still produce wind. So it is just, the bottom started falling out as soon, right about the time I went live. And it is pouring down rain, torrential rain. However, this rain is a nice relief from the 95, 96 degree heat that we have been experiencing. And this time of year, there's probably places nearby that are not getting a drop of rain. Because of the scattered nature of these storms. But that rain is dropping the temperature, so it is some cool relief. Hello, Mrs. Parnell. I can see you are watching. Don't have a lot of people watching yet, because most are taking their Sunday afternoon naps, as was I before I got up. Oh, that is a very loud clap of thunder. I should probably go in. So, Shannon, not a drop of rain at your apartment, huh? That's what it's like this time of year. Some places are getting absolutely poured on, while other places nearby are not getting a drop. And I will go in because that was close, so it ain't safe to be out here. But it's good that I'm live and recording that thunderclap, because it is not safe to be out here.